It's running away. What is it? You see it? Where? Oh, that was the best thing in my life. You saw that? You see that? It killed that bird.
Oh my gosh, bro, that actually did work.
Didn't even hesitate.
He didn't even. That was the best of my life, bro. Oh my gosh. He didn't know it was gonna take that long? That fast?
It happened that fast, but you took too fucking long with the camera.
You did it too fast.
I thought it was gonna take longer. Let's go find another one.